How to clear your Instagram cache. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can clear your Instagram cache. Now it's quite easy and quite simple but a little bit tricky. So let me guide you through it. The first thing you want to do is scroll down your notification bar, and on the top right corner of your screen you'll find the settings icon. Now tap on it and open your settings. Now you can go to settings through other way, and if you scroll down all the way below here, head into the apps option. Now once on apps, you can scroll down and search Instagram, or what you can do is on the search bar you can simply search for Instagram. Now I'll just search it quickly here, and your app info of Instagram opens up. Now here what you want to do is scroll down all the way below and you'll find the option stories. Tap on it, and here you can see your app, your data, your cache and total. Now on the bottom of your screen, however, you can see your clear data option on the left hand side of your screen and clear cache option on the right hand side of your screen. Tap on the clear cache option and you can see my cache has been cleared. So this way you can clear your Instagram cache. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.